I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday, time for another options review video. For those of you new here, I do a Wednesday video every Wednesday, and I go over my week's trades, and that is from the previous Wednesday to close of business on Tuesday, which would be yesterday or today, actually for me. I go over everything. I go over all the buys and sells, whether they're calls, puts, have I got assigned, have I rolled, all that stuff I share with you here on Wednesdays. So if you like that, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff everybody says on videos. Leave me a comment down below. That'd be nice. And if you want to support the channel, look down in the pinned comment in the description. There's ways you can support the channel with affiliate links and referral links and Amazon affiliates and Ko-Fi tip jar and all that stuff. So anything that you could do would be appreciated, but if you just like, share, and subscribe, that'd be awesome. So what I normally do is I go through my long stock that I'm doing puts or wheels on. Now, I'm not a big fan of the wheel as a strategy. Typically when I get assigned stock, it's I don't want to say by accident, but it's out of necessity. Okay. I don't go into selling puts with the thought of being assigned. I'd rather not. I don't like owning stock in my options account. With that being said, there's times where I need to. And you'll see here, I've got Rocket, I've got assigned SoFi, and I don't have any news to report on these other ones. That's why I'm not doing anything on them. I got AHT and CVM, and so I just go over the ones every week that have had some activity. So something new this week is Vizio. I got assigned 100 shares now. I kind of mumbled this or jumbled this or whatever you want to call it. I kind of fumbled this one a little bit. And if you've watched my videos on, what I look for when I put on cash secured puts, I'll link that up top and down below. When I do not follow those guidelines, I end up in trouble. And that's the case here with Vizio. So I sold a put on July 15th with an 8/20 expiration of 22.50, and it got assigned. Now, if I were looking at the stock, I'd say I'd want to be at 20, but I chased some premium and got 85 cents for that, and I got assigned 100 shares at 22.50 on August 20th, which was Friday. Now, what I did also, though, is I sold a put on 8/10 at the 20 strike that I wanted to be at, thinking that I would get assigned those as well, because it had fallen below the 22.50 and it had fallen down to about 18.50 or so. So I sold a 20 strike. Well, at the time it was 22, but it had fallen, and I thought that I would get assigned another 100 shares on Friday. Well, ended up shooting up on Friday, and I closed out this contract at 5 cents and, made almost 90% profit on it. Where I kind of screwed up is that I had pre-sold a call, a $20 call on Thursday, 8/19. So I pre-sold that call at $20 a month out. That was supposed to cover the assignment of these $20 shares that were going to be put to me, but they were never put to me. So now I got a call out for $20 for next month on the 100 shares that I got assigned at 22.50. See where I kind of screwed that up there? And what I was supposed to do, because Vizio brought it to me, Monday they brought down, they fell a little bit. I was supposed to buy another 100 shares to bring down my cost basis, but I missed it and I didn't get into it. So what I did was I ended up, I still holding that call right here, and I collected 95 cents on that. I sold another put right here at a 17.50 strike and collected 50-cent premium on that. So, overall, I've collected $363.50 in premium. And, if these get called away at $20, I'm not going to be mad. Because what would that be? If this got closed out at $20 and everything expired, I'd make a 5%, basically a 5% return in a month. So I won't be mad at it. It was supposed to work out better. Now, if Vizio does do another dip, I'd probably buy another 100 shares to bring my cost basis down and then sell another call. But, no big deal. As long as I'm not losing money like AHT. So that's Vizio. Own 100 shares of Vizio. Now we'll go into the all the trades, and we'll come over here to the quick view. Now my quick view is acting funny. Some of this stuff isn't showing up, but I don't have anything pressing. Look, the next, my next date to expiration, my next DTE is still 24 days away. So I'm not really worried about it. We'll go over some of the things that, as you can see from the thumbnail, I was, bobbing and weaving and avoiding assignment, taking some losses, and but the week turned out great. And I was probably wrong on both of the moves that I made, and we'll talk about that here shortly. But in 24 days, I got AXL, a $9 strike put on that is in the money, and that's it. So we'll go over to the options, and we're going to go to the close dates, and we'll talk about wins and losses here for the week. Now, it starts from here and goes to here. Now, we'll start with the first one. On 8/18, I closed out Car, which is Avis car rental, and I closed that out for 30 cents. Had one contract on it. Closed that for a profit of $79 for a 14-day hold. Big Lots. Big Lots was, I held this pretty much to expiration. It was a 50-day hold originally, and I closed it out on Friday. It was flirting under my strike price for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I thought for sure I was going to have to roll this thing, and it shot up Friday morning, and I got out as quickly as I could because, I thought I was going to take assignments and other stuff as well. So, or I had other things, in trouble for the following week, and I like I said, I really don't want to take assignment if I don't have to. But I ended up closing those Big Lots ones out for 15 cents a piece, profited $100 in 50 days. Got paid 27 cents to do that trade. Wish, if you remember back, a few weeks ago, I think I used to have I had 5 contracts of Wish on in the $8.50 to $9 range. I closed all those out for profit, and I kept one, and they had earnings, and boy, did they screw up their earnings report. The CEO is not a very good cheerleader for his company, but either way, these got assigned, so that ended up being a realized profit, $49.31 on the option, though I'm down quite a bit on the shares. But that's in my Roth IRA. I'll long-term hold that. That's not a problem. Now here are those assigned Vizio shares. That's $22.50. that was a 36-day hold, 84.79 profit from the option. And then there's Vizio, that put that I put on and sold a covered call against, that never happened. I got out of that one for 5 cents, made 49.49 in 10 days. Now here we go, GDXJ. This is where I end up losing something here. GDXJ is the junior gold miners ETF, and they were pretty much in the money deep on Friday. It was like $39, and I had a 42 strike, and it popped up big time on Monday, and I took that opportunity. Every time a stock makes a big move, and if you look at GDXJ, it made a big move on Monday, I don't trust it. I never trust big up moves. And so, I thought it was just going to be a, dead cat bounce type thing, and it would just come back down, and it didn't. So I was wrong, but that's okay. I exited for 73 cents, lost $23.15. Not... Could I have waited and probably made some money? Yeah, probably, but that's neither here nor there. Closed out a spread. Here's another one where one will be in a loss. When you do a credit spread, when you close them out, usually you have one that's a winner and one that's a loser, and that's how it works here. So this one is the sold put side of TNA. I had a 65 strike, closed it out for 94 cents. That was a $209.59 profit in 31 days. And then the bought put, which was the protective put, at $50 strike, closed that out for 27 cents. So I lost $79.41 on that one. So made $130? Yeah, roughly. Almost $130 on that one in 31 days. Beezer Homes, that's BZH. I had 2 contracts out on this one that I sold for 50 cents, bought them back for 10 cents. So that's an $80 profit in 28 days. Owens and Minor, I had a strangle on Owens and Minor, and I closed out the call side. For 5 cents. Made $29 on that on 20-day hold. Still have the put side on. And then here's the other loss, XOP. XOP was deep in the money on Friday, and then Monday had a huge pop. And I like I said again, I didn't trust the pop, and I took that opportunity to get out, and I lost $70.39 on that one. I was wrong. It was a $78 strike, and it kept going up today as well. So. But that's okay. Overall, we're still good. Overstock, I had a strangle on. I closed out the call side. It was a $100 strike. Closed that out for 30 cents. Made $15.50 basically in 6 days. And then ASO, which is Academy Sports Outdoors, I think it is. $30 strike. Had one contract. Closed that out for 20 cents. Profit of $59.50 there in 29 days. So overall, kind of a up and down, kind of weak, kind of exciting, kind of nerve-wracking, but ended up being well. I actually said on me and Dave's live stream this past Sunday that I'd have a negative week, and I actually said it in the live stream that unless there was a miracle in gold and oil, I might have a losing week, and I pretty much got that miracle in spike in gold and oil, and I was able to get out with minimal damage. So let's look at what I opened. I didn't open as much, but let's see, from 8:18 to 8:23. Well, 8:19, I opened up 3 positions. One was a strangle on U.S. Steel, which is ticker symbol X, and I did a 22 put and a 36 call. Collected, what is that, 96 cents, so $96. 43-day hold on that one. There's that Vizio call that I sold for $20. collected 95 cents on that one, 29-day hold. Then Monday opened up 5 contracts. One is on Winnebago. That's a 53-dayer, 60 strike price. Collected 90 cents on that one. Vizio, I sold that put out to September 17th for a strike of $17.50. Collected 50 cents on that one. That's only a 25-day hold. Discovery, that's the people that AT&T sold off its entertainment, or whatever you want to call it, division to. I sold a strike of $25. Sold 2 contracts, collected 52 cents a piece on that one. Got paid 19 cents to do those 2. And then car went back into Avis Car Rental. Went to the 65 strike. Sold 1 for 90 cents. Another 53-day hold. And then Beezer Homes went back into Beezer Homes. $16 strike on this one. 2 contracts for 50 cents a piece, and got paid 9 cents to do those. So that's all I've opened up so far, and I'm not done. I'm looking for opportunities, but a lot of times when the market's going up this high, I need to look more on the call side. And I was looking today on a couple of calls. Like, I wanted to sell a call on car, but I couldn't get the price that I wanted. I was looking to sell a call on Winnebago as well, but I couldn't get the price I wanted. So to me, it's more patient. I need to be more patient and more tactical on the call side when I sell calls, because I really need to be sure that the call strike that I'm selling naked is safe enough for me. Now let's go over here to premium cooking. And as you'll see, I closed out 13 positions, even with all the losses and everything, $584.28 in profit. But I only opened 8 and took in $621.12. So only have $2,878 of premium cooking, and that's mostly in September. Where we have $2,237 in September. I need to build up. Well, I'm starting to build up October pretty good, so I got $641 out to October. Excuse me. So that was a pretty busy week. And here's my history of my buying power used and net liquidity over the past 3 weeks. You can see 84.2K, 85.8, and then I went back down to 84.2. Buying power used 36%, 34%, and 39%. Now if you look at today, the net liquidity shot up over all these to 86.9K, and my maintenance margin dropped because of all those positions that I closed off, and I didn't add enough to make up for it. So my buying power dropped from 39% to 28%. Maintenance margin dropped from 33,200 down to 24,500, and my net liquidity increased from 84,200 to 86,900 in the past week. Now I'm not 28% buying power used. I need to increase that. I like to be in this area around 35%, which will make it about 30,000 in maintenance margin. So I definitely have some premium I need to sell, and I need to get this premium cooking total up to the $3,300, $3,400 range is probably where I really should be. So that's it. That's all I got for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff that I say in every video. And you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.